game-changing heat transfer on the market is called UltraColor MAX. This direct-to-film transfer is making it possible to decorate more garments for more markets than ever. In this video, in our series of utilizing UltraColor MAX direct-to-film transfers, I'm going to be focused on the promo market and performance wear. Our gang sheet today has 17 logos. And at 6 cents a square inch for this 14 by 17 inch size, I clocked in at just over $14 per sheet. This was ordered and manufactured at Stahls.com. It comes to me ready to be heat applied, and I only need to order 2 sheets to be able to reach the $25 minimum. Now I have an assortment of products. I'm going to be decorating a couple Ogio pieces and also this zip-up hoodie from Sport Tech. All of these products have been provided from Sanmar, and that's a great place to source high-end performance wear. Now let's head over to the heat press and let me show you what you can accomplish on a Hotronics press with UltraColor MAX. The first step in the process is to load our garment onto the machine. I'm using the Hotronics Auto Open Clam with the 16 by 20 inch platen. Make sure everything's loaded straight, and then I'll conduct a preheat. My UltraColor MAX heat transfer already has the adhesive on it, and you can see there's no outline. It's a very fine text, so I'm just going to position this into place. It has a clear carrier. Make sure it's lined up appropriately. And then lock my heat press down. 290 degrees for 12 to 15 seconds. This product is a hot peel, so as soon as the heat press opens, I'll be able to grab the corner and remove the backing, and then we'll rotate the garment to the back to be able to print that location. Grab the corner, hot peel right away. Extremely soft finish, extremely fine results. Let's go ahead and get to the back of the garment. I'll conduct the same preheat on the back of the garment. In this case, we have a vertical design. They'll be adding some additional branding completely down the center. And heat press. Now I'll change the platen out. We're going to show you how to do a unique branding location. And for this branding location, I will load my 6 by 10 inch platen. And I'm also going to be making use of a heat press pillow. The reason I'm using a heat press pillow is I'm trying to add the brand icon directly onto the neck, the collar of the garment. So positioning it into place, trying to get rid of as much wrinkles because I don't want to damage the garment. Then I'm just going to support the garment and go ahead and conduct a preheat. Position the logo. And heat apply. Remove the backing while hot. And let's take a look at our completed piece. For this application, I'll be hitting a unique placement up near the shoulder of this performance polo. And so the buttons don't get in the way of the application, I'll use a heat printing pillow. Just going to slide it in, work it up to this shoulder print area, and make sure the buttons and the collar are falling off of the edge. And let's go ahead and check my pressure and do a preheat. At this point, we'll go with the cut of the garment right where this seam is, and that seam will sink right down into the pillow. So I can hit these really nice branding locations with the right technique on my heat press. Best part is UltraColor MAX, simple single-step application, 12 to 15 seconds, medium pressure. You can feel totally confident using it with heat press pillows. hot peel. Let's go ahead and hit a sleeve print location on the same garment. To do that, I'm going to go the opposite sleeve, and we'll be trying to utilize the same pillow here. Just sliding it in to the sleeve print location, making sure I have some good context of exactly where the seam is. Again, preheating. And positioning my logo. And heat applying. Quick, easy, accurate. For the next application, we'll be doing a zip-up hoodie, so I've utilized my heat press pillow. We'll split that hoodie open, loading it onto the press. And the zipper will sink right down into the pillow to make sure I have a nice even heat application. Let's start with the preheat. Also gives me time to check my pressure. Now I'll take my logo and we will position it into place. This jacket will actually have 3 different print locations. Heat apply. Let's go ahead and get to the back print location. So I'm just going to take the hoodie off, and load it on the back. Preheat the back. And I've trimmed apart my design, and we're going to do a location just above that horizontal seam. And then the brand logo just beneath it. I could have made that as one transfer, but to save on money, I've gang sheeted these, trimmed these apart, and so I can use the brand icon in a lot of different locations. Super fine detail in the text with no outline. Let's go ahead and hit our final location on this, which will be a sleeve print. We'll go opposite of our left chest logo, so we'll go onto the right sleeve. And I'm just going to prepare my sleeve by flattening it, making sure the seam is directly underneath here, and so it's centered. Let's preheat. I could go on the cuff or a little further up. We'll go a little further up. Feeling for my center seam, make sure my location's good. And heat apply. With this application technique, you can actually do several sleeves at once, especially if you had a TV tray or something to the side to be able to support your item so you didn't have to do so with your hand. Remove the backing and it blends nice to the texture of the fabric. So you can see UltraColor MAX is a great product for the promo market. You're able to get all of the colors you want on a single transfer to make it easy to heat apply, and we're also able to do the fine detail that we often need in small left chest branding logos. And with the right heat press and the right tools, you can hit all of these unique branding locations, which is going to have your customer accomplishing their goal of getting more impressions with the product that they're wearing. So now, let me blow your mind on the cost to decorate these pieces. When we look specifically at the UltraColor MAX transfers that went across these pieces, I mentioned earlier that we had that $25 order minimum. But the 3 pieces decorated in this video with all of the logos that were put on them were decorated for a total material cost of only $2.50. That's not $2.50 per shirt, that's $2.50 total. And so what I'm telling you is if we can go and sell this set to 10 clients, we meet our $25 minimum without issue. It's extremely cost effective. So make sure when you think about UltraColor MAX, you're thinking about ganging up logos and the opportunity that this can present to help you grow your business. Invest in the best heat press you can afford with all of the accessories and start growing today with UltraColor MAX.